Hello children, I hope you understood the previous chapter and have completed the given worksheet. Today I will teach you new chapter Roman numerals. After this learning session, children, you will be able to recognize the symbols of Roman numerals and to read and write Roman numerals from 1 to 50. Children, look at the clock. In this clock, 12 hours are written in different numerals. Can you tell me where else these numerals are used? Yes, for writing class, for writing chapter numbers, etc. So children, these numbers are Roman numerals. Roman numeral system was developed by Romans many years ago. Children, as you know, our Hindu-Arabic numeral system is the combination of 10 digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And Roman numeral system is the combination of 7 letters of alphabet. It means Roman numeral system uses 7 English letters to write numerals, which are I, V, X, L, C, D and M, where I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. So children, you have to learn all these symbols with their corresponding values. Now you have seen there are symbols for numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. To write the rest of the numbers of Hindu-Arabic numeral system, we either add the numbers or subtract them according to certain rules. So, today you will learn the rules to write Roman numerals. And in this class, you will learn about the first 4 symbols, which are I, V, X and L. Children, using these 4 symbols, you will learn to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 50. Let's discuss the rules. Rule 1. When a symbol is repeated, it means the value of each symbol is added. The sum is equal to the number formed. But any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. For example, what does double I mean? As you know, I stands for 1. So double I means 1 plus 1, 2. And triple I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. Same as double X. As you know, X stands for 10. So double X will be 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. And triple X means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. So children, I is equals to 2, I is equals to 3, X is equals to 20 and X stands for 30. And remember, Roman numeral V cannot be repeated at all. Rule 2. When a smaller symbol or symbols are written after a larger symbol, then their values are added to get the number. For example, VI. Here you can see I is written after V. So number will be V is 5 and I stands for 1. Therefore, VI is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Similarly, XI. Here X is 10, I is 1. And we have to add the value of I to the value of X, because I is written after x. So x means 10 plus I means 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Similarly, xv. X is 10, v is 5. So xv is equals to 10 plus 5, 15. Same as xi. Here we have to add I plus I means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And we have to add 3 to x means 10. 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So vi stands for 6, xi stands for 11, xv stands for 15, xii stands for 13. Here I also want to discuss some wrong combinations. Look at the following examples. I and XXXX. They are wrong because no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. And VV is also wrong because V cannot be repeated at all. So these symbols do not represent any Roman numeral. Rule 3. When a smaller symbol is written before a larger symbol, then the value of a smaller symbol is subtracted from the value of the larger symbol. For example, IV. As you know, I stands for 1, V stands for 5. So I is the smaller symbol and V is the larger symbol, and I is written before V. So value of I will be subtracted from the value of V. Hence IV is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Same as IX. I is a smaller symbol and X is larger symbol. So value of I will be subtracted from the value of X. X means 10, I means 1. So Ix is equals to 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. So children, IV stands for 4, Ix stands for 9. But remember, only a single smaller numeral can be subtracted from a single bigger numeral. As you can see, IIX and IIV, they are wrong combinations because we cannot subtract two smaller symbols from a larger symbol. Rule 4. When 3 or more symbols are written together in such a way that a smaller symbol lies between two greater symbols, then we subtract the smaller symbol from the greater symbol placed after it. For example, XIV. I is a smaller symbol and XV both are larger symbols, and I is placed before V. As we discussed, IV is 5 minus 1, 4. So XIV is equals to 10 plus 4, 14. Similarly, XIX. Here again, I is between two greater symbols. So value of I will be subtracted from the value of X, which is written after it. So IX stands for 9. So XIX will be 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. So XIV is equals to 14 and XIX is equals to 19. And children, remember, the Roman numeral system does not have a symbol for 0. Children, if you learn Roman numerals from 1 to 10, then it will be very easy for you to write Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Now look at the chart shown. I stands for 1. I is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. I is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. IV means 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. V stands for 5. VI means 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. VII means 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 7. VIII means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. IX means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. And X stands for 10. So children, please repeat with me. I is equals to 1, double I is equals to 2, triple I is equals to 3. IV is equals to 4, V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7, V triple I is 8, IX is 9 and X is equals to 10. Let's practice some more examples. First, see how to write Hindu-Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. First example, 38. 38 can be expanded as 30 plus 8. 30 means XXX and 8 means VIII. So 38 can be written as XXX VIII. Next is 29. 29 can be expanded as 20 plus 9. 20 is XX and 9 is IX. So 29 can be written as XXIX. Next is 40. Now we know 40 cannot be written as 4 times X because no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So to write 40, we have to subtract 10 from 50. L is 50 and X is 10. So X has to be written before L to show subtraction. Hence 40 can be written as XL. Next is how to write Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic numeral. First example, XXVI. X is 10, again X is 10 and VI represents 6. So 10 plus 10 plus 6, 26. XXVI is 26. Next example, XLV. We discussed XL is 40 and V is 5. So 40 plus 5 is equals to 45. So XLV is equals to 45. Next is XIX. X is 10 and IX is 9. So XIX is 10 plus 9, 19. Children, listen your homework. You have to write Roman numerals from 1 to 50 in your rough copy. Thank you children. Stay fit and healthy and keep learning.